All the missing terms.
Is this one going to be the video?
It's the video. Okay, yes, it is. X to the 5th plus 0x to the 4th plus 0x to the 3rd plus 0x squared plus 0. I wonder if you guys can find a shortcut after I do this big, long, honky-donky thing.
Yeah, get rid of the zeros.
Okay, so then we have x to the 3rd plus 0x squared plus 0x minus 1. Okay, remember when we're doing this, you only have to pay attention to your first terms right here.
Yeah.
Right? So what is x to the 5th divided by x to the 3rd?
X squared.
That's it? That's it?
Yep.
Yeah, that's it. So let's go over here. I'm going to put x squared above. I'm just going to put 1x squared right here. Now, you don't have to write the 1. I'm just going to write it, though, for the sake of explanation. All right, now I have to distribute. So what is 1x squared times that, times that, times that, times that?
Oh, it all depends. Well,
So it'll be x to the 5th, right? Plus 0x to the 4th plus 0x to the 3rd minus 1x squared. All right, you guys tracking with me? I got all these numbers right here by distributing this x squared to all these numbers right here. So you see, like, we're barely going to have to do steps because there's so many numbers here. We're going to bring down the 0x next time. Let's write out what we get. Now, if I change the signs to all these, the ones in the middle don't really matter because they're all zeros, but this one adds a 0. Yay, he's gone. He's gone. He's gone. And then I'm left with 1x squared. And then I bring down the 0x and the 7. But there's a problem. I can't divide x squared by x to the 3rd. That would be our next job. It would be this divided by that. Right? Right?
Right.
So this is my remainder. So my answer is x squared plus remainder, which is x squared plus 7, divided by x to the 3rd minus 1.
Nice. Wait, can't you just do that without...
Honestly, I think some of you guys can probably look at this and not have to do all the zeros to figure this out. But I don't know. This makes it, this is easy to understand, isn't it?
Yeah.
Okay, so you put in your missing terms and you can do it. It's pretty nasty. But that means you can take this and you can multiply this by x to the 3rd minus 1. Do you guys know what your result would be if you multiplied these two terms?
The answer.
You get x to the 5th plus 7. That's what you would get if you multiply those together.